What is going on, everyone? I am Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. I am so glad that you're with me today because we're unboxing something I've been very excited about. This is the red and blue themed Nintendo Switch Mario Edition, which just came out on Friday, February 12th. Now, much to my surprise, this was available in stock at Target when I went and picked it up. If you're looking for one, I would definitely check out Target, Best Buy, because they do seem to be in stock. I think maybe Nintendo learned from their past mistakes with the Animal Crossings edition. So these are available. And what's nice about this is that not only are you getting the all red Nintendo Switch with the blue Joy-Con controller, you're also getting a carrying case, a screen protector for the same price, $2.99. It is very nice looking, and you have these Joy-Cons here with the red, and you have the Joy-Con covers. It looks really nice, and I'm pretty excited about this. Now, I currently do have a V2 gray Nintendo Switch, which I think this is going to take its place. I'm going to hand that one down to my wife, but we'll see what happens when I open this up, and hopefully it's nice. Let's go ahead and get unboxing with this. Now, if you guys are new here, consider hitting like if you like this type of content. And if you want to get more content like this, consider hitting subscribe, turning on notifications so you can be the first to see that new content when it drops. Now, this is the red and blue themed Nintendo Switch Mario Edition, and I'm really gung-ho about this because I love red and blue. I love Mario. I'm a child of the 80s. My first console, though it was an Atari, my first real game console that I remember was going to be the first edition of Nintendo and Mario Brothers, so I'm a big fan. So here we go. Wow, this is really red. Now, I will tell you that in the pictures, excuse the plastic rustling, in the pictures, the red looked very red, almost as red as the neon red that for the Joy-Con controllers. But now looking at this kind of in person, I would say it's not that red. What is interesting here when you're looking at this, this is, it is the red shell. This kickstand here is not blue. I thought, well, maybe it would have been blue to match the red and blue Mario theme, but it's not. But this feels like it's the same hardware. Yeah, it feels like the same hardware. Let's check out these Joy-Cons, because that's probably where I think a lot of people are interested because of all the problems that people have been having with Joy-Cons, though I can't tell you I've been one of them. Yeah, this feels very much the same. If I could see the model number here, my eyes are getting bad, I must say that, or maybe this is just printed really small, not a lot of contrast. Let me see if I can find that once I power it up. But they feel, just by kind of initial impressions, very similar. And let's get this one over here. Now, I don't know about you, but growing up, someone who's born in the 70s, basically I've learned to play video games on Atari and the very first console, Nintendo. This Mario is probably one of my favorite characters. Yeah, this is nice. Feels very similar. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Here we have, this is going to be the carrying case, and there's a screen protector. Screen protector is screen protector. It is what it is. But let's look at this thing here. Now you have blue on one side with these Mario glyphs, red on the other with the same glyphs. And this zipper is a nice accent color of yellow. You'd have a space for games across the top, and there's a little elastic pouch in here if you want to put maybe a charging cable or a pair of headphones. And you close that up. Zip, zam, boom. Doesn't feel super protective, though I don't think it's like super cheap. It's not like a hard shell plastic case. It's, it's soft. Neoprene maybe? That's probably the right thing that it is. Here's that screen protector. We're going to the next one. There's a screen protector, is a screen protector. Here is the dock. Now, wow, this is super, super red. Now, the thing to note here is that this is not necessarily just a kind of a rebrand of a black dock. It is completely red. Even for the most part, like even this, the interior of the USB and the HDMI, that's the only part that I see that's black. There's some parts in here. Let's see if I can get that in there. Oh, here we go. Where these pieces connect, those parts of the dock connector, those are black. But I would say that this looks like it's, it's not just a simple, we're gonna paint it red. This looks really nice. And what's nice here is that this Nintendo Switch logo is not etched in here. So it's very much how it is on the dock version that is out today, or the traditional dock version. We have some cables, yada, yada, charger, same thing. Instruction manual. Oh, wow, this is very blue. And here we have the Joy-Con charger. Very nice. I like this. I really like the color blue. I know a lot of people are not a fan of this, but I do like it. Let's see what it looks like with those red Joy-Cons in there, how that contrast looks. It's all about the contrast. Now, you're gonna have to forgive me. I am a little bit sunburned right now. Spent a little bit too much time in the sun today, and a little bit red in the face. So, in case you're wondering, I'm not sick or anything. Okay, so here we go. I like the way that looks. I like the red and blue. Could be Mario, could be Superman, could be Spider-Man. Spider-Man would be dope. I'd like to see a Spider-Man edition of Nintendo Switch. Now, other than the red and blue theme, which obviously this is special because it's Mario, there is very little difference between this and the version that I got in April of last year, April 2020, when the pandemic hit. The Joy-Cons are the same hardware version. The controller itself, the console itself, there's no difference in that. But I would say that if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. My name is Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. Folks, I will catch you in the next video.